Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I will discuss about essential drugs concept or essential medicine concept. So the World Health Organization or WHO has defined essential drugs as those medicines which satisfy the healthcare needs of the population. These essential medicines should be selected on the basis of public relevance, comparative cost effectiveness, and adequate data on safety and efficacy. These essential medicines should be available in the healthcare facility at any time in adequate amounts at proper doses form, with adequate information on quality and safety, availability, and should be at a price the individual and the community can afford, at a price to afford. It has been observed that there are many medicines which are manufactured and which has been manufactured from many years. There are only certain that means a small amount of medicines that are actually helpful for the population of a country, and these essential medicines are sometimes more efficacious and more safe than their newly developed, more costly congeners. So the developing countries now should concentrate on the production and manufacture of those medicines which are actually needed, and also select them as essential medicines. So WHO has laid down some criteria to select a medicine which could be used as an essential medicines. First of all, there should be adequate data on its quality and safety, which should be available from clinical studies. It should be in such a condition that will not only save but should retain the bioavailability and stability during storage. It should be based on the prevalence of diseases. It should be based on the prevalence of diseases and healthcare facilities, along with trained personnel and other factors such as demographic, environmental, genetic factors, along with the availability of resources. If two drugs are there, comparison should be made on the basis of safety, efficacy, availability, storage, and also the cost of the medicine. Comparative and the cost consideration should be a major factor here, because these are essential medicines, and it should be affordable to the mass population. It should also be such that the manufacturing facilities should produce it, and the storage conditions should also prefer the storage conditions should also prefer the drug. One more thing is that the essential medicines should be single medicines. Fixed dose combinations are rarely used. They should only be used when there is adequate data on their effectiveness on a particular population, or they have therapeutic more therapeutic benefit, and have the ability to delay the drug resistance. The essential medicines should also be selected, and the selection should be changed from time to time, because because there is always a change in public healthcare needs. There is epidemiological considerations, and their new medicines are evolving time to time, and also the pharmacological knowledge is also advancing. So this should be considered while selection of an essential medicines. Now there are certain drugs, such as those which are used for pain relief, anti-epileptic or anticonvulsants, drugs used as antidote in poisoning, and anti-infectious drugs, antihypertensives. These are the essential medicines. Now the WHO has made a list of essential medicines to help their member countries, and it has published its first list in the year 1977. Published its first list in the year 1977 with the name of the drugs along with their strengths and dosage forms, and then it is revised time to time, and in 2017 the 20th list is out, which has 433 medicines, among which 25 are fixed dose combinations. India has made its first list of essential medicines in the year 1996. Then it revised it in the year 2011, and now 2015 there is a new list, which is termed as the National List of Essential Medicines, which has 376 drugs, among which 20 are their fixed dose combinations. And these essential medicines should be available in both primary, secondary and tertiary healthcare facilities. And it has been observed that by maintaining the essential medicines list in healthcare facilities, it helps the facilities with cost effectiveness and rational use of drugs. So this is essential medicines concept or essential drug concept. And here I am ending my today's video. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.